Hi guys, this is Abi from Gokche Design. In this video, you're going to learn how to create an old color photo effect in Adobe Photoshop. Let's start by clicking on Window in the top menu and choose Patterns. Click on the hamburger menu and choose Legacy Patterns. Next, duplicate the background layer, right-click and convert to Smart Object so we can apply some filters. Since the image is too sharp, we're going to start by applying some blur. Click on Filter in the top menu and choose Gaussian Blur from the Blur dropdown. Pick a radius value of around 4 pixels and then click OK. Now click on FX and choose Stroke. Select a size value of around 200 pixels with inside position and then click OK. From the New Adjustment Layer menu, choose Solid Color. Pick any blue color for now and change the blend mode of this layer to exclusion. Double-click on the solid colors thumbnail and pick an old paper color to your liking. Next, from the New Adjustment Layer menu, choose Pattern. Click on the Pattern Fill dropdown and choose Sandpaper. You'll have to expand the legacy patterns and erodible textures to find it. Change the scale value to around 300% and then click OK. Change the blend mode of this layer to hard light. Now click on FX and choose Blending Options. In the underlying layers section, hold the Alt or Option key and break the black slider into two halves. Drag the broken half slider towards the right. This will allow more dark details to show through the pattern. Now repeat these steps with the white slider and adjust them to your liking. Breaking the sliders in half ensures that the transition between the dark and light pixels is smoother. From the New Adjustment Layer menu, choose Selective Color. Change the color dropdown to Neutrals and play with the CMYK sliders as per your requirement. Now repeat these steps for the whites and the blacks color dropdowns. Finally, let's look at the before and after images. Looks good to me. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.